Hey, thanks for joining us. This is Aaron with MarineMax Clearwater Nautique Boats, here to tell you about our 2017 GS22. GS22 is an incredible model. A lot of these boats in the area, and some really neat characteristics. So up here on the bow, you've got your reverse chine, feature we stole from the fishing boat industry. Really keeps for a dry ride, keeps all that spray out of your bow seating. And the front half of this hull, you'll see this step right in the middle. You've got our characteristics of the award-winning 200 ski, so it gives you the opportunity to have a really sporty feel. Slalom wake, gets up to all sorts of barefoot speeds as well. And then the back half of the boat having characteristics of the 5-time wakeboard, 4-time wake surf boat of the year, the G-Series G23. So we've got this 30-degree recess of the transom here, helps build up your surf wave, makes it larger, gives a lot more lip and power than you'd see with a traditional vertical transom. And Nautique Surf System standard feature here, as well as our configurable running surface, that automated tab right there next to our surf pipe exhaust. So real popular colorway, reef blue gunmetal flake, available for immediate delivery at MarineMax Clearwater. Come by and see us.